Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So in last video we designed this layout. In this video what we are going to do, we are going to just click on this button, and with the help of this button we will fetch the information from the Spring Boot application and display here. So for that I am creating a one component here, and I say this component get student info .jsx like this. Okay, now here I just create this component and give the name student, get student information like this. Now I need to create a variable here, student, that would be array, blank array for fetching information. Then here I need to create a div tag, and what I do here, I just create one function also, component did mount, because from this method we will use the Axios library to fetch the information. So I import this library Axios like this, and here I use this library. So I say Axios dot get, and here I pass the URL. So I fetch this URL for fetching information. I just copy and I paste this URL here, then dot, then and catch, then we have this. So here I will have a response as a arrow method, we will have this, and here I will have error as a arrow method like this. Now here I display if there is an error, so I say alert and error, and if we have a data available, then what I do, I say this dot is set state, and here I say students response dot data like this. So we just get the information, then we have data. If the response is coming, then we are saving information to the student, and then we have the alert if we have an error. So I think we did this. Now we have a state variable, so here we will display that in table. So what I do here, I just create a div tag is there, then in this div tag I put a class name just for designing purpose. I use class name, then I say text to the center, then I give size to 4, margin also 2, and inside this I take table tag. Inside this table I just use class name, then table dark. Here we have, then under this table tag we have t head, under this table tag we have another tag t body like this. Then under this we have a row, so tr. Then we have th, and here we have a scope of a call like this, and this th we are going to display information. I say student id like this. So I copy this and I need to display 3 columns: student id, student name, and then I say student course. So here I can give t head is there. Then we have a t body. In body I can give the more color. In t body also I can give this class name. Again copy, and here I paste it, and I give the color name to warning like this. And here also I need to display, so I need this dot state. So I need first of all this one, this dot state dot students dot map, and I will render this. I will get one student information, student. Then here what I need return, and under this what I return tr table, and this tr having a same this copy paste like this, and scope of this is row. So I say row. This is all about bootstrap, and here I will use the information. So I say student dot sid that I need. I copy this, and here I paste this. Then again I paste this, and here I say student dot name. And remember that I need to check the name of the column, that is name, then sid, and then course. So that I am using name, and here I say course like this. Save this. So we have this here. Now what I do, I just insert this here. So for that I am creating here some objects. So I say get false, put get, and the post false, put false, del false. Like this we have this information as a variable. Then in on creating this method, first method, I have on click. Under this on click I call a method, event handling method, and I say open get. Okay, so I create here open get as a arrow function here, and here what I do, I just use the to on this property. So what I say, this dot set state, and under this set state I say get equal to true like this. So we put this get property to true and save this, and open get is there, so I need to put this dot get open. Done. Now what I do, I have to create one more method that I say close get, and I will close like this. So I just turn off this, remember this, and now I'm going to call after student button this button. Here I will open this, so I say on top of this what I do, I just get the information get, and I say const, then get post put del equal to this dot state, like this. So that I need to declare before render. Here save this. Now this get I am going to use here, so I say this get, and I will call here get student info, like this, remember that. And here I will pass the property also that I say close get, and here I will pass this dot close get. Remember, close get, this I want to close this function by this property. So done this. Now try to run this, and I will do closing after that. So here this, I click this button, you see information is coming and displaying here, you see, but I am not able to close this because I will give the button here for closing this application from here. So this information is coming from the Spring Boot. Remember that Postman, you can see the post application get information. We have this, we do not have a one ID. That's why if you see the output, we do not have a one ID, we starting from 0 like this. So we do some optimization task. So here close get I passed here. So first of all what I do, I just decrease the size. So I say it is 5, or we can say 6. Save this and try to see the size. Yeah, little bit decrease. So we have this. Now what I do, I need to use a button also for closing this. So I go to okay, so I do here, I have a property. So what I do, I create one button here. So I say div tag first of all. Under this I create one button on click, and here I pass this dot props dot close get, like this, and here I give close button. Save this and we try to see this interface. We have close button, so that close button should close this, but close is not working. So I'm checking this also, but for this button I need to take a class. Here I say in this class btn, we can say btn, we can say danger, and then I say text, can say end. Save this and try to see the interface. We have this, but we want to put into the left or right side. So for that, leave this. Here I say btnsm, and here I say class name, and here I say text to the end of this. You see, we have at the end of this. Now this button should work. So we have a close get. What we are passing here, close get we are passing, and then when we click on this, so because this should be turned to false, so I will turn this to false. Now it will work. I say this, remember, close this, it's displaying information. Now I say close this, enable this, close this, enable this, close this. You see, so we have this information here. So successfully we just link this front-end application with the Spring Boot, and we try to get the information from this by using RESTful API, by using this Axios library to fetch the information, and we are using React as a front end for displaying this information. That's all in this video. In next video we will do one more post for adding more student information, then put and delete in other videos. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, please do subscribe.